Hey, you know what? Till recently I thought I would be testing cases and stands with some more up-to-date version of the iPad. But after checking out firsthand the latest 13-inch iPad Pro and iPad Air models, I'm happy to announce that iPad Pro from 2018 is still my tablet of choice, and now I'm using it to test all new accessory from another manufacturer, TORRAS. These guys sent me their Ostand Case, and frankly I can't wait to share with you how exciting experience it has been so far. Which iPad do you use, by the way? Please answer in the comment section below. Hi friends, and welcome to Digital Markings. I'm the channel's host Marco, and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to enable all notifications so there is the next video. This one is sponsored by TORRAS, a brand that is pushing the bar in both terms of quality and innovation in the world of accessories. With its huge user base, more than 40 international awards, and over 2,600 patents, this company is an industry leader. I mean, these guys practically pioneered mobile kickstand cases. Check out the link in the description and in a pinned comment. Get a discount today! The unboxing experience was as typical as it can be, with a couple of interesting colorful stickers and the case itself. Listen, the moment I saw it, I said to myself, bro, I'm sold on this design 100%. It really looks elegant and futuristic at the same time. I have to admit, it's similar feeling when the case is in my hands. There is a little weight, which doesn't surprise, cause you can feel the sturdiness and durability. There will be no bending here, yet at the same time it's relatively slim, which I do appreciate. It is made with multiple materials, starting with TPU frame that provides shock protection, polycarbonate back cover for additional strength, nano oleophobic layer which should keep it away from any impact of water and oils, as well as anti-smudge coating so there are no prints around and signs of use in the long run. The case has a section for Apple Pencil, which is great. It's easily accessible, although perhaps it could use deeper cutouts since I struggled few times to pull it out, but nothing serious. The frame secures the iPad on all sides. At crucial spots, you can find precise openings, while the volume rockers are protected with a layer of plastic buttons. There are two questionable decisions on this case, which should have been better planned. The bottom mic is completely covered, while one of the speakers, the one beside the power button, partially. To me personally, that was confusing, especially in such a visually appealing product. TORRAS could have done the same with the power button as with the volume keys. This would completely liberate the speaker, but what to do, it's late right now, right? As name suggests, Ostand is more than a case, it's a stand. Two of them to be precise, and as it appears they share the same hinge. We are talking about metal here, so you can be certain it is durable and you will face a little bit of resistance when you want to set it up. Having option to adjust it in multiple positions is considerable advantage and comparable to many competing products out there, including many that I personally tested. There are no predefined angles. You can literally adjust it the way you want it. The longer stand lets you find the perfect position for reading or surfing the web, watching content, or use it as a sidecar, for example, like in my case. The smaller one, however, is mainly for creative professionals, enthusiasts, or students, since it's ideal for drawing, painting, and note-taking. Whichever position or angle you you choose, you can be sure it will be stable, there will be no wobbling or unexpected sudden movements. Now, to make things even more entertaining, folks from TORRAS also included their military-grade screen protector, which has been thoroughly tested. Protector arrived in a similar box like the case and included, at least for me, game-changing piece of plastic, which helped me to set it up in no time. I hate those things since I'm super impatient, but this resolved my problem, although when you already own the case it is unnecessary. Honestly, there is not a lot to say about TORRAS Ostand Case, which shouldn't take anything from it. You see, I kinda feel like this case made my iPad use more exciting, and I'm not kidding. Yes, it is about the protection and multiple viewing angles, but mainly it's how it looks like. And honestly, I love it. It's just stunning. I like it so much that I would love to see a similar product with a keyboard and a trackpad, following those design cues. Ostand Case supports the recent iPad Pro and iPad Air iterations. Well, from latest iPad Pro generation, there is a version for the 11-inch model for now only. I didn't see an option for the bigger 2024 iPad Pro, but let's wait and see. For more information, please check out the link in the description and in a pinned comment. And that would be all. I want to say thanks to TORRAS team for sending me this awesome accessory, and I can't wait to see what's next in their pipeline. Friends, if you like this review, please subscribe, slap the thumbs up and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digital Markings. I'm Marco, talk to you soon, have an excellent day. Cheers.